Hello, here's Dr. Regina Hess, EUROTAS board. A warm invitation to this year's EUROTAS conference on the island of Spetses in Greece. And I'm sitting here in the Zoom with my other panelists, Martin.
Hi,
And
Regina. My name's Martin Peake, and I'm on the panel looking at UAP and non-human intelligence and consciousness, which is a very, very extraordinarily interesting topic, which is emerging now in the around the world. And I'm looking forward to discussing with Regina and Ileana some of the very, very important aspects of this, which we need to share. And I look
thank
forward
you.
to seeing everybody.
And Ileana, hello.
Hi, everybody. My name is Ileana Rontea. I have a podcast where I talk to those we call experiencers. So these are people who've had anomalous experiences of different varieties and the experience that they have and how it changes their lives from ontological shock often to transformation. These are subjects we really need to talk about. And as Martin said, consciousness is really at the basis of it all. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone and being on this exciting panel. Thank you.
So we put a framework together from a transpersonal perspective, how we can be in service for such and other experiences. Stay tuned, join our panel and workshop, and looking forward to see you very soon. Bye-bye.